Hi, good morning students. How are you? How was your lockdown days? I would like to introduce myself. I am Tepshir, in your new maths teacher. Now, we can start in our first chapter, rational numbers. You are also familiar with natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. And now we discuss about rational numbers. First of all, what do you mean by natural number? Natural number is counting numbers because they were using for counting. It starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. Then we discussed about whole numbers. We add 0 into the natural number, we get the whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And also integers is a collection of positive and negative numbers, and also it includes 0. One thing, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay. In this chapter we discussed about rational numbers. I will give you one example for that. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is a one variable linear equation. Then how can solve in this equation? In this equation, the left hand side of this equation 2x plus 3 and the right hand side is 0. When we transposing from left hand side plus 3 into the right hand side, plus 3 become minus 3. Then we get 2x equal to minus 3. Okay. 2x equal to minus 3. What do you mean by 2x? 2 into x. It will be transformed from left hand side to right hand side. LHS to RHS into 2 become by 2. Then we got the answer x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. It is one of the example for the rational number. One thing, a number is said to be rational if we can express in the form of p by q. P by q means in the form of p by q is p is the numerator and q is the denominator. If we can express it in the form of p by q, and p and q are integers and also q not equal to 0. In this type of numbers are called rational number. Okay. Now we can check these are rational number or not. Then the first number 5, is it a rational number? Yes, absolutely. We can write in this number 5 by 1. Then 5 can express it in the form of 5 by 1. We know that 5 is an integer and 1 is an integer. Both of them are integers and we can express in the form of p by q. Then 5 is also a rational number. In your previous classes we discussed 5 is a natural number and a whole number. In this class we study 5 is also a rational number. Then the next number minus 2. Minus 2 is a negative integer. We know that. In this case, we check minus 2 is a rational number. Is it a rational number? Minus 2 can be expressed in the form of minus 2 by 1 or p by q form. 1 is an integer and minus 2 is another integer. Then we can express it in the form of p by q, minus 2 and 1 both of them are integer and 1 not equal to 0. Then minus 2 is absolutely a rational number. Then the next number 4. 4 can be expressed in the form of p by q. 4 is an integer and 1 is an integer and 1 not equal to 0. 0, is it an integer or rational number? 0 can be expressed in the form of 0 by 1. What is the value of 0 by 1? Is 0. Then 0 is an integer and 1 is another integer. Then 0 is included in the rational number system. Okay, these types of numbers are called rational number. Then in this class we discussed about the properties of some rational numbers and their operations. First we discuss about closure property of rational numbers. Okay students, you know how to add two rational numbers or fractions. I will give you one example for rational number 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. These both of them are rational number and we use the operation addition. How can solve in this problem? By cross multiplication. 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 5, 15 divided by 3 into 2, 6 is equal to 4 plus 15 is 19 by 6. In this closure property, the given numbers are rational and the final numbers will be get the rational number. Then all these numbers are rational. Then we say rational numbers are closed under addition. Consider any two numbers a and b. A plus b also a rational number. It means rational numbers are closed under addition. I will give you one more example. Second question. 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5. By cross multiplication, 3 into 5, 15 plus 7 into 2, 14 by 7 into 5, 35. Then 15 plus 14 is equal to 29 by 35 is also another rational number. Then we say rational numbers are closed under addition. Consider any number a and b. Consider any number a and b. A plus b also a rational number. Okay. Then the next operation, subtraction. In the case of subtraction, 2 by 3 minus 5 by 2. Both of them are rational number. And how can subtract from 2 by 3 to 5 by 2? By cross multiplication, 2 into 2, 4 minus 3 into 5, 15 by 3 into 2, 6. 4 minus 15 is minus 11 by 6. Minus 11 by 6 is another rational number. Then we can say subtraction is closed under rational numbers are closed under subtraction. If we consider any two rational numbers, the final a minus b is also another rational number. Then the next example for that, 5 by 7 minus 3 by 4. How can solve it? 5 into 4, 20 minus 7 into 3, 21 by 7 into 4, 28. 20 minus 21 minus 1 by 28. The answer is another rational number. Then we can say subtraction in rational number is closed. Or if consider any rational number, then the a minus b is also another rational number. Then the case of multiplication, it is very easy for you. 2 by 3 into 5 by 2. 2 into 5, 10 by 3 into 2, 6 is a rational number. Then we can say a rational number is closed under multiplication. If consider any number a and b, a into b is also a rational number. Then in the case of division, how can divide 2 by 3 from 5 by 2? By multiplication reciprocal, 2 by 3 into, what's the reciprocal of 5 by 2 is 2 by 5. Okay, 2 into 2, 4 by 3 into 5, 15 is a rational number. But in the case of 0, we know 0 is a rational number. Then in the case of 0, 2 by 3 by 0 by 1. Okay, 2 by 3 by 0 by 1. How can we solve it? By multiplication reciprocal, 2 by 3 into 1 by 0. Okay, 2 by 3 into 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. In the case of division only, the closure property will not be satisfied. Okay, I will conclude my class. In this chapter, we discussed about rational numbers. Rational numbers are in the form of p by q. P and q are, both of them are integers, and q not equal to 0. And we check the another property of rational number is closure. Rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication. But in the case of division, they are not satisfied. Okay, thank you.